there everybody, today we are going to be watching some Zoms YouTubers because Zoms is too boring right now. I mean, look how boring this game is. All you can do is spin. Yeah, that's super bad. So now I've stuck to watching Zombie Royale YouTubers like Nifty ZRYT. He is the best person ever and you should definitely go subscribe to him or I'll steal your Zombie Royale account. Look, he has 5 likes and 0 dislikes. That means that 100% of his viewers love him. See, that's just proof that he's the best YouTuber ever. And let's just watch this quality content. Oh, did you see that? Oh, nice music. Oh, and he even has a name tag in the corner. That's just enough. And see, he has 70 subscribers. Oh my gosh, I barely even have 25. Okay, that's all I wanted to tell you. Remember, go subscribe or I'll steal your Zombie Royale account. Bye.